Let's focus today on our crown chakra. I spend a lot of time being in my heart and talking about it to you all. So let us today do this. Sharon Ramel with you. We see and understand our limitless nature and the ease when we deeply connect with our crown chakra. Our crown chakra is that 1,000-petaled lotus at the very top of our head. It is the pure portal to the heavens, in the same way that our base chakra is the portal through to the earth. Luminous threads from this beautiful energy center reach up to the stars and to our destinies. It is here that we may speak openly to our star brothers and sisters, receiving wisdom directly into our bodies through our crown chakra. The earth protects us, it nurtures us with her life force, and the heavens propel us towards whom we are becoming. The name in Sanskrit is Sahasrara, emptiness. For when we commune with the stars, we are able to travel through space and time. We are at one with heaven and earth. As you feel the messages pouring through your crown chakra, hold a steady platform of reconnection within your heart, connecting and utilizing the powerful light energies that are pouring into the planet directly through you. Your crown chakra is connected to how blessed and spiritually fulfilled you are, as well as how open-minded you are. Remain open to the continual letting go process, being witness to your life, not lost in the drama and illusion. Choose not to engage with drama. Know that you're not alone in this journey. Anytime you need help, call it forth. Simply tap in, as above, so below. Be specific when you are communicating with your power animals, your guiding spirits, your ancestors in the angelic realms. For what you ask for, you will receive. Keep it simple and your desires open. Claim your abundance and know that the activation of creation from your heart through to your crown chakra is set in motion.